Hello, everyone, and welcome to TeamDynamix, your new service desk platform. I'm Alaha Nouri from the IT department. Together with our IT director, Idris, we have been working on a new and exciting transition for our service desk. And today I'm super excited to share that we are moving from Trackit to TeamDynamix, a platform that's designed to enhance our service delivery and streamline our support processes. As you can see, this is our new service desk client portal, and this is where you will be coming to request assistance with our IT services, public relations, and building facilities. The address for this portal is services.herkimer.edu, and it's accessible throughout all browsers across all devices. In this training session, I'm going to be showing you on how to open a ticket using this new platform, how to update a ticket, how to withdraw a ticket, and finally how to reopen a ticket. So without further ado, let's get started by clicking on the sign in option. The sign-in process is very intuitive. This is because we have configured single sign-on, and I'm already authenticated to my email using this web browser. Meaning if you're already authenticated to my Herkimer, your email on the web, or Microsoft 365 web portal, you don't have to re-authenticate when you try to get into this portal. As you can see, this is our default landing page after the sign-in, which is the Home tab, but we also have two more additional tabs, one for our students, one for our faculty and staff. We have placed some useful resources and links. Be sure to check them out based on your needs. Scrolling down, there are additional information such as IT help desk support hours, or if you have received a suspicious email, how do you proceed about reporting that to us? Towards the right, there are some additional resources and links. Be sure to check them out again based on your needs. One thing I would like to highlight is the outages and maintenance. This is where, in cases we have network maintenance coming up or scheduled, in addition to communicating with you all through email, those are going to be placed under this link as well. This YouTube video that you're viewing currently, this is a very short introduction video to TeamDynamix from the TeamDynamix team itself. As soon as I'm done with recording this training session, that's going to be replacing this one. Let's go back up under the Home tab. Let's go ahead and try to add a new ticket using this new platform by clicking on Add a new ticket. As soon as I click on the Add a new ticket, I'm seeing this page. This is the page for our service catalog. As you can see, these are our three departments and their service catalog that use TeamDynamix. There are two ways to get into this page. The one which I was just showing you by clicking on Add a new ticket, and the other one is from the top here, clicking on the services. I need help with my docking station, so let's go ahead and open up Information Technologies category. Looks like things are pretty much organized into subcategories for ease of access, better management, and better organization. And this is how we have set up things for our other two department categories. I see there is a subcategory called Computers, Devices, and Printing Support. I am going to open this up. There are additional services under this subcategory. The third option is related to the docking station issue. Let's go ahead and open that up. I recommend and suggest before opening the ticket, please take a minute and read the information that we have put in together on this page for you. This is really helpful, and in some situations, it may be able to answer your questions or may save your time from opening a ticket. It's telling me what this service is about, who's eligible to use this service, and where can I get this service. It's mentioning that I need to click on the request service on this page to receive help, which is here. Let's go ahead and click on that. As soon as I do that, I'm presented with this form that I need to fill out or just type in the information about my issue and then submit my request. As you can see, the two first boxes, which are the requester, account, and department, those are pre-populated. That's because we have imported our users' data to TeamDynamix database, and I'm already authenticated to this portal, so I don't have to manually enter those information, which is really nice. I can go ahead and start by typing a subject for my ticket. In the description box, I can include the description. Be sure to give as much description or information about the issue as you have in hand. This will give our technicians the opportunity to resolve your issue faster. Scrolling down, I also have the opportunity to include an attachment. This will open up your local computer, and the attachment must be saved under the File Explorer. I can also go ahead and include a secondary contact if I'm working with other functional departments about this issue, or if I would like to keep someone on the loop about this ticket, I can go ahead and type in their name to include them on this ticket. Please remember that you're able to include more than one individual. Let's scroll up and see if I'm satisfied with my selection, which I am. I'm going to click Submit to submit this request. Right after clicking Submit, I'm being presented with this screen. This is showing me the ticket ID or incident ID. It's also telling me if I would like to create another request of this type, if I would like to view the request I just created, or if I would like to view all the requests that I have put into the system so far. So I need to update my ticket. I need to include additional information, or I forgot to add the attachment. I'm going to click on the second option. There I have the option to go ahead and include my attachment. Add an alert tab is going to allow you to add alert for certain activities taking place onto the ticket. For example, I would like to be informed when the ticket is completed. I can go ahead and select that and save. And I see that the alert is added on here for me under my active alerts. If I forgot the attachment that I would like to include, I can either do it by this Add Attachment tab or by this plus icon from the right. Or if I would like to include additional information to update this ticket, I can click on the comment. And for simplicity reasons, let's just put something simple, reply. You see that I included that comment, and it's showing me that these were the individuals that got the notification, and they are able to see the update that I made on the ticket. When it comes to updating the ticket, please remember that you can either update the ticket from here or through email. As soon as you open a ticket, our assigned technicians will receive an email notification, as well as you will get an email notification that your ticket was opened. Actually, let's go ahead and see the email that you will get. I'm already signed in to my email on the web, and this is the email that I just received. It's telling me that my request was created on this date and time. And if I would like to add additional information, and I don't need to leave my email. If I'm working on my email, I can just go ahead and say reply to include the update about this ticket, and those reply or update will be listed under here as well in the client portal. What if after some time I realize that I no longer need to receive help on this service, or my issue was resolved? I can come in here and click on withdraw request. This is asking me why I would like to withdraw my request. You can choose whichever is applicable to you. I'm gonna just choose other. You can also add additional comments in this box, but that's totally up to you and optional. Click on withdraw. As soon as I do that, this box is confirming with me because it's making sure that I'm aware as soon as I withdraw my request, I will no longer be able to receive service for this request, which I'm sure about that. I'm going to click OK. Right after doing that, my ticket status from new changed to canceled. So that's how you cancel a ticket or withdraw a ticket. But what if you want to reopen that ticket? To reopen that ticket, if I go ahead and add a comment to this ticket, that will reopen up my ticket. I can do that either from here or from the email. If I reply to that ticket notification email, that will reopen my ticket as well. But one thing I want you to remember is it will only reopen the ticket as long as my comment is made within the 3 days after the ticket was canceled or closed. If it's past the 3 days, it's going to open a new ticket for me rather than opening or reopening this ticket. So that's how you reopen a ticket. That's pretty much everything I had for you regarding updating a ticket, opening a ticket, withdrawing a ticket. So let's go ahead now and see all the service requests that I have put into the system so far. You can do that by clicking on this ticket requests tab from here. Please remember, by default, you will only be able to see any new, in process, or on hold tickets. But if you would like to see all the tickets, including the ones that were closed or canceled, you have to click on this drop down and make sure to select all. After doing that, click on the search here, and here you go. I'm able to see all my tickets that I have put into the system so far, no matter if they are canceled or closed. Okay, this is all I had for ticketing. One thing I would like to mention about the services is that suppose you need help with something related to public relations, and you came in here, you looked into all these subcategories, but you're not able to see the service that you would like to request. You can use this general assistance service that we have put together for you. If you can't find which service to request, you can go ahead and click on this and request the service. Also remember that we have this general assistance for all our other department categories as well. So thank you so much for joining me on this brief tour of TeamDynamix. We believe this transition will greatly benefit our students, faculty, and staff. And for more information or assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our IT help desk by visiting services.herkimer.edu. Thanks again and have a great rest of your day.